word civilization ended up giving you zero, algebra, algorithms, astronomy as we know it. They've affected our language. Sugar, zero, cipher, zenith, nadir, admiral, apricot. Those are all Arabic words, algebra. And somehow we've written the Arab world out of our history. They're the guys who figured out that all objects in the universe exert gravity 600 years before Newton stated it. In fact, the guy who came up with that, Ibn al-Haytham, was an Arab from Iraq, also stated the world's first ever scientific method 600 years before any European did. He stated Newton's first law of motion 600 years before Newton. He stated Kepler's first law of motion 500 years before Kepler. He's the guy who figured out the lens. I really like him. He's also the guy who made the world's first ever camera, the camera obscura. He's the guy who figured out you could break light into its constituent colors, that it traveled in waves, that it had a finite speed. He wrote 200 books, mostly on math. Ibn Sina, Persian, is the guy who founded modern medicine. He's the reason why we know to wash our hands, interrupt transmission vectors.